Hi, thanks for stopping by Look Younger with Debbie. I really appreciate it. I'm an esthetician. I'm in my 60s, and today I'm going to show you how to lift your face just using your hands and a few simple facial exercises. So when I turned 60, I felt like, well, my face doesn't look too bad, but by the time I turned 62, I felt like my face was really starting to fall. And you know how you see somebody from far away in a parking lot and you don't know them, but you kind of know how old they are? Well, you can't see their wrinkles from there, but it's the contour of the face. And so we're really going to work on this middle, contouring the middle of the face, the cheeks and the chin. So the first one I'm going to do is to massage your scalp. And so you just want to do circular motions, kind of medium pressure, and I'm not going to take time to do all of it, but it's going to take you about 2 or 3 minutes. And you want to do circular motions all over your head, and what this is going to do is it's going to do lymphatic drainage of your face and neck and head, and what that does is it helps to drain any puffiness, and also if your face is not properly, if you don't have lymphatic drainage happening properly, then the collagen won't be able to be created like it should. And then also it brings the circulation, the nutrients to your skin, and a lot of your facial muscles start up in your head, and so this helps to lift your muscles a little bit, and it makes the other things that you do to your face, it's going to make that work a little bit better. And you especially want to concentrate behind your ear and back at your hairline in the back, and then do circular motions down, probably one side at a time, until you get down to your trapezius here, and you want to push into that a little bit, and then underneath your collarbone to finish off the lymphatic drainage. So you're going to go ahead and do that both sides, and it's going to take you longer than what I'm showing, but I think you get the idea. So after you do that, then you want to do a couple of facial exercises. So the first one, you're going to want to lift the center and the outside of your cheeks, and then also to firm up your jawline. So you're going to hold this so that it anchors your cheekbones right about here, and then you're going to concentrate on your cheeks, lifting your cheeks up like this. And you're going to do start with 50 and work up to 200. And when you do that, you want to look in the mirror, so that try not to do a lot of wrinkles around your eyes. So if you concentrate on just moving these cheekbones or the muscles under the cheeks here, and not squinting too much. So you're going to do that 50 times, work up to 200. And then the second one, you're going to take your fist and you're going to feel for underneath your cheekbones, and then you're going to jut out your chin like that, and you're going to be able to feel the muscles in there. So you're going to go underneath your cheekbones and have your chin forward, and you're going to do that, and you'll really be able to feel those muscles in there. And you're going to do 50 of those. And then the third one is underneath your jaw. So you're going to put your fist underneath your jaw so that you have resistance, and put your tongue behind the front of your teeth in the lower part here, behind your teeth, and then you're going to resist with your fist. And you're going to start with 20 and you're going to work up to 50. So those are the 3 facial exercises. Then you're going to take some oil, and I use the Gold Youth Serum, and this has all organic ingredients. It smells like frankincense and lavender, and I'll put the link to this in the description box. So we're going to put a little bit of this, and I'm just going to do one side so that, and then you'll repeat it on the other side. So I'm just going to put that on here, and I'm going to concentrate right in this area. So what you're going to do is you're going to feel for, you'll feel a little dent in here. So you're going to start there, and then you're going to go up on both sides at the same time. So we're just going to start here, You're going to go up to your nose on one side and towards your ear on the other. And you're going to trace underneath here. And that will help move up the fat back up to where it should be. And it also helps to release the fascia underneath there that gets kind of stuck, so that this will move up a little bit. So you're going to do about 20 of those. And then you're going to put your opposite hand from the opposite cheek, and you're going to do some circular motions. And the circular motions right in here. And you're going to do that for maybe a minute or so. And it feels really good. It's really good if you have sinus or anything like that. And there's also some really good acupressure points in there. And so this is going to help with that nasolabial fold. So you're going to do that. And then after you've done that for a minute or so, you're going to hold it out, and you're going to hold on the outside of that line. So you're going to hold that, take your other hand, and then meet your fingers here, and then move it up. And you're going to do about 20 of those. And you'll probably see your cheek lift at that point. So the next one we're going to do is going to move down to the jaw. So take your thumbs like this. You're going to have your thumbs underneath and then your bent fingers on top. So this is going to go under the jaw, and then your fingers are going to go on top, your knuckle. So you're just going to follow that, and you're going to do like 10 of those. And then the final one will be going to kind of dig in underneath here, and then you're going to go back behind the ear. And we're going to do about 10 of those, and then you're going to move a little bit further down and go right behind the neck, so that you actually are gathering the back of your neck. And then move it down a little bit more, and then I like to start back up again. Go here, underneath, and underneath, and we're going to do about 10, 10, and 10. And then I like to just kind of end with a little bit of lifting, and that's it. So if you do this, try to do this every day. If you can do especially those facial muscles a second time of the day, then I think you'll see a difference. I started seeing a difference in about 2 weeks, and I started having people comment in about 2 weeks that they saw a difference in what was I doing. So I wanted to share this with you. And then one last thing that you can do is you can take your facial cup and just go over this. Make sure that you're doing your lymphatic drainage, which is up here and then down. And just do your lifting. And this will give you some additional smoothing. And I will put the link to this facial cupping kit and the Gold Youth Serum. And I hope you have a great day, and thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time.